DAWN News Dictation number 19. Speed 100 words per minute. Start. The Chief Minister's Secretariat has sought a detailed explanation from the Sindh Building Control Authority regarding what it described as a sketchy and incomplete report on illegal and dangerous buildings in Karachi and other parts of Sindh. Full stop. In a letter addressed to the SPCA Director General, the Secretariat expressed serious concerns over the absence of key details in the authority's recent submission. The report stated that 147 buildings had been identified as unauthorized, 104 notices had been issued, 13 buildings were declared dangerous and one building had been demolished. However, officials found the information insufficient for proper assessment. The letter pointed out that essential details such as plot numbers, size of the properties, the nature of the violations, and the time limits given for demolition were missing. Due to the absence of such information, the report was considered incomplete and inadequate for review and follow-up action. The Secretariat therefore directed the SPCA to provide complete and comprehensive details regarding the 147 buildings identified as unauthorized, including those that had already been served notices. Authorities have also been asked to clearly mention the nature of each violation, the plot areas and the deadlines given for compliance or demolition. Furthermore, the SPCA has been instructed to provide full details about the 13 buildings declared dangerous, the steps planned to deal with them and information regarding the building that has already been demolished along with the status of the people evacuated from it. The Secretariat also directed that a senior officer familiar with the matter appear personally before the secretary to the chief minister to give a full briefing. Sources said the move reflects a tougher stance by the chief minister's office against illegal constructions and unsafe buildings, indicating that the government now expects strict accountability and detailed documentation from regulatory authorities. Meanwhile, officials within SPCA said the authority has begun compiling relevant facts, documents, and data to prepare a comprehensive report, and officers concerned have been instructed to submit necessary information from their respective jurisdictions.